Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so September's box just arrived. Before we dive in here, I do want to give you a little update from last month's box. After I posted the video, I had someone comment and tell me that the cards that were in the deck of cards were incorrect. They were printed wrong, and I was like, okay, thank you for telling me. I'll check it out. And so when I went to my deck, I actually noticed what they were talking about. And then I had a few others tell me the same thing. So thank you guys so much for making me aware that there was an issue with the cards, or else I never would have known. So I contacted Goddess Provisions and I asked them, what they were going to do with the cards that were improperly printed. And they said that they were currently working with the company that supplied these, and they were trying to see what kind of resolution they were going to come up with. And like within 1 to 2 days, I had an email back with like a fill out little form to get a replacement deck. I haven't got the replacements just yet. I will let you guys know when I do get them, but I haven't got the replacements just yet. But I did want to point out the fact that if you did purchase this box last month, then check your cards because they are probably printed incorrectly as well. And all you have to do is contact customer service and they will get it taken care of if they haven't already contacted you. Now, one of the main ones, I was like, okay, I know what they're talking about. Like the back of this card says time with animals, but then the front of the card looks like you're taking a bath. That has nothing to do with animals. So I get what they were saying. And again, I never would have noticed that until I started trying to use the deck. So thank you again for pointing that out to me. I did have one really lovely person leave me a comment on that video just the other day, calling me some names. They called me a scab and some other word that makes it, that I guess it means that I'm trying to represent a company of false advertising. I have nothing to do with Goddess Provisions. I purchased this box myself. All I do is unbox it to show you what I have. I don't tell you you need to go buy it. You can see what I get and make up your mind for yourself. That's the whole point of why I do what I do, is to show you guys, and you can make up your own mind if you want to purchase it or not. Apparently this person was a little perturbed that they wasted their money on something that was incorrect. For one, Goddess Provisions is rectifying it. They're fixing it. So I don't see what the problem is. For another, I have nothing to do with the company, nor the company who made the cards. Like, there's so many things going on in this world today that you really want to come and attack someone's video because they unboxed their own box and didn't notice that the cards were written incorrectly. Don't be bitter, be better. Like, really? So anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know I had already planned on letting you guys know before unboxing this. I have this sitting here waiting until this box came so I can tell you about that, just because if you did purchase it and you were unaware, you can contact them and they are replacing them. They're fixing it. Anyways, enough of that. Let's go ahead and get into this particular box. This is what it looks like when you first open this month's box. And again, the card is always going to be at the bottom. And yeah. Oh, and last month, that's one thing I thought of after. I was like, wait a minute. I thought they were going to start putting these cards in every box. We didn't get them last month, but we have them this month. But this says series number 1. Let me grab the ones that I got 2 months ago. Hold on. Okay, so the last one, it does say series number 1. This one says 6 cards, and this one says 12 cards. So I'm going to start with this one first. I thought this was a cool idea if you were getting this box, if they were going to send you all these cards, because then if you collect them all, you can have your own deck. It would be cool if they sent you a box to go with them, but you get these cool cards. Oh, I think these might be different because these are all the signs. And this one was crystals, rose quartz, smoky quartz, amethyst, watermelon, the aquamarine. So these are completely different. So that's good. It got a little alarming when I saw series number 1. I'm like, wasn't the last one series number 1? So these are really neat. So it has the same image on the back of the cards. And this one is basically every single sign. So there's that. So that is really neat. So we have another set for the cards, and that right there, it says Zodiac Oracle Pack. Draw upon universal energies to navigate your way through mysterious skies. Intuitively pull a card and discover which zodiac sign can help with your current situation. And this is a $4.50 value. So again, if you do get Goddess Provisions, then you'll start collecting all of these cards. So I do like that. This definitely reminds me of like the Garbage Pail Kids cards and like, you know, trading cards. I think that's really cool. And then I was like, wait a minute, we didn't get it last month because I thought it was going to be like a thing in the box all the time. But I guess it's just whenever they do it, they'll throw some cards in there. So there's that item. Next we have is something down in this bag. Let me open it. Ooh, it feels nice and like plush. Is it a little, what is it? A little journal book? It says, this journal belongs to, if found, please contact. And then it's just, okay, it's just a little journal book. That's what it looks like. It has the little images on the top. There's dots throughout the entire thing, and that's how every page is. But it feels really nice to the touch. It's not just like normal paper. I don't know what kind of material that is, but it feels really nice. So this particular item says Cosmic Message Journal. Keep track of your astro insights and cosmic inspirations. This silky soft cover and 40 dotted pages display all 12 zodiac constellations to remind you that each sign has guidance for you. Valued for $15. That is really cute. I actually like that. So I think we're going with that kind of theme because we have the zodiac cards. There's the zodiacs in that. And, ooh, is this a book? Wait, is this a bookmark? It's a little bent and wobble wobble. And the bookmark is bent because it doesn't even fit all the way in the box. So it was going to happen no matter what. But yeah, that is so pretty. I was actually trying to find a bookmark that had like crystals or something on it. And I did find one that has a little crystal that hangs. But I was looking for something a little different. So cool. I got another bookmark because I needed one for a different book. But that is really pretty. I love, of course, the galaxy print in the back and then the font. That is really, really pretty. And then the back just looks like that. So this guy right here says, the Quirky Cup Collective Cosmic Bookmark. Save your spot in your new favorite book or journal with this galactic guide. Reserve your time for truth seeking instead of searching for where you left off. And this is valued for $9.50. And it says you can find it at the quirkycupcollective.com.au. And you can use coupon code MAGIC password to save 15% off that site. So that's cool. We got a bookmark and it's really pretty. Now we have is something wrapped up in a bag, but I don't know if I even want to open it. It says 4-in-1 tooth and gum elixir. Removes impurities, improves breath, strengthens teeth and gums. What in the world? I don't know if that's a product that I would use, so I'm not going to open the packaging, but that's what this little spray thing here is. It says Cosmic Body Vital Smile Tooth and Gum Elixir. This refreshing coconut oil blend is made with peppermint, cinnamon, rosemary, and clove to leave your mouth sparkling like the stars. Use it for oil pulling or as a mouthwash alternative. For oil pulling? Use it for oil pulling. I've never heard of that being talked about, anything to go into your mouth. So I don't know. But I guess you could spray it in your mouth like a breath of fresh air, I guess. I don't know. But you can find this at cosmicbody.com and you can use coupon code CosmicProvisions to save 20% off their website. This is valued for $9. So again, I don't know if I would use that, so I'm not going to open it, but there is that item right there. Now we have, it says Cosmic Cocoa. Raw cocoa. Yeah, see, I think that thing is leaking because it felt funny on my hands. It felt like it was like oily and there was an oily glob on here. So I think that's coming off of this thing because nothing else in here is leaking. And where it was sitting, now I have like a oily spot where it was sitting on my table. So it has some an oil spillage going on. It says raw cocoa, the Gut Lab. What are you? Supercharged wellness for people, for the planet. So this guy here says the Gut Lab Cosmic Cocoa. Enjoy an out of this world mood boost each time you brew a cup of this superfood concoction that features cocoa and some other words that I have no clue, cinnamon, ginger, and a few more that I don't know. Sip with intention. You can find this at thegutlab.ca and use Cosmic Love to save 20% off. And this is valued for $15. Your favorite childhood drink with a cosmic twist. So now we have is this right here, and I already know what this is. I did see the sneak peek of one of the items, and this was it. Moon Phases and Constellation Wall Tapestry. So let me show you. I'm really excited because I love the moon phase. So it's supposed to have the moon phase and the constellations, and then you can hang it. Ooh, yes! Look at that. Bow, 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 bow. So that is what it looks like. And then it has the two little dowels on the end. Oop, that thing just came off of that outside. Whoop. But you can just hang it up straight down on your wall, do whatever you want. But that is super, super cute. I'm really, really excited about this. This says Zodiac wall hanging. Hang this cosmic decor in your sacred space and allow the astral energies to each lunar phase and zodiac constellation to excite your spirit. Valued for $22. And this does not say where it comes from. So this is probably straight from Goddess Provisions. So after this month is over, you can probably find this directly on their website because you can purchase individual items from their shop. But I think what they do is like after they're completely done with the month, whatever, then they will post them so they don't sell out of the product before the boxes are done. You know what I mean? That makes total sense. So I normally do find the products like a month or so later for the newer boxes. So if ever there's an item that you would like individually, you can always check their site to get it there. And look what we have. Long time no see. We have a monthly crystal. Holy moly. What do we owe this pleasure? This month we have a blue tiger's eye. Ooh, I have tiger's eye, but not a blue tiger's eye. I don't know where they get the blue from because I don't see blue. It looks like a regular tiger's eye to me, but it's a blue tiger's eye. Meditate with this stone to clear your mind and open to cosmic truths that are unclouded by emotion. Its calming energy will help you feel grounded, empowered, and protected. Valued for $4. So this is like the normal crystal that we would always get in the box. So at least we do have a monthly crystal this month. So that is cool. They don't have a digital downloaded bonus this month. What in the world is going on? So every single month, they always have a downloaded digital bonus and it adds to the value of the box. Most of the time I don't download them, but sometimes I will and I can print them out, make my own little book and have it. Last month I did that. This month there's not a digital download bonus. There's nothing there. I know I've told you guys like they've changed their card. They're not showing like the monthly mantra, but I've never not seen that digital bonus whoop-de-woo down there. So they don't have that this month. So a quick recap to what is in the box because we don't have that to talk about. We have a blue tiger's eye. You have like some kind of like a mouth spray for your teeth and gums. This I am super excited about. You have the moon phase with the constellations as a wall hanging. You have cosmic cocoa. You have a bookmarker. You have a journal book. And then you have the oracle deck. All right, you guys, so that is everything that came in the September box. The total retail value for all of my products will be right here. There's no digital downloaded bonus price to put in there because there isn't one this time. So that is what the total retail value is for everything that came in this box. So go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the products inside. This month's theme is a cosmic inspiration. What do you think of the theme of the box? Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about Goddess Provisions, they are $33 a month, or you can get it as low as $27.75 if you go to a 12-month prepaid plan. You will always get cruelty-free and vegan products inside. There's 5 to 7 full-size products per box with a typical value of $80 to $100 of Goddess goodies, and there's free US shipping. They do ship worldwide. Last time I checked, Canadian shipping is $15 and international is $25. You can pause or cancel at any given time, and this box will contain crystals, aromatherapy, apothecary, beauty, spiritual, growth tools, superfood, snacks, teas, and more. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular month, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.